My trade is going to actually be for this one right here is ticker CARR. This is Carrier Global. And just to show you real quick too on Thinkorswim, this is actually looking at the trade in the profit surge dashboard right here. This is, of course, a bullish signal for today. You can see the bullish buy signal that's been printed right there. That's that up arrow. You can see our profit target and stop loss that the system put on there for us. Really great looking buy signal that was spotted here today. The momentum down here is really strong. The trend to the upside is not stretched way too far. The RSI momentum is increasing, so a lot of things to like here for Carrier. Of course, you can clearly see just here on this price action chart, the stock has had a very powerful run. Really reversing a decline that it's had, in the prior, 8, 9 months before that. So a very, clear, sharp trend reversal there. You see that as our 21 and 63-day EMA started to align bullish. We had that crossover actually just late last month. So this is a relatively new trend that has formed and a very fresh entry signal that was spotted here today. As the stock got a little overheated, needed to pull back. It pulled back down to our middle Keltner channel. We got that bullish hammer price, that bar right there, really bullish thing to see that. And we started to bounce off of that and are starting to rally higher now. So a really strong looking buy signal here. I really like this one for Carrier. It's in the right pocket of the market right now. This group of stocks is the one that, amid all the AI fears, Helene, that are going on, this type of stock is the one that the market's kind of fleeing to right now as a lot of this uncertainty is going on. So, I thought there was a lot of things to really like about the signal. And so the way I was looking to actually trade this one here today, of course, it's a bullish setup. The trend looks great. Profit surge spotted that bullish signal today. So looking to purchase a call option on this one, actually. So looking here at the March 20th option expiration and specifically the 60 strike call down here. So you can see it, a little bit in the money. It's not fully meeting the 1% rule. It's slightly more aggressive. It, will require, excuse me, just slightly larger than the 1% move higher for that one to end up breaking even and starting to profit. But I really like the setup on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and try and enter that just the midpoint at 5 points. It looks like I have a pretty good shot of getting that filled at that midpoint there. So I'll go ahead and put that trade on and see if I can get it filled. Might have to adjust it, by a couple cents here or there. But that was looks like it just got it filled. Perfect.